So today we're talking about the mods that I want to do to my car, or the mods and things. So first off, uh, I want to get like a cold air intake. I was thinking, so put a cold air intake in here, and maybe like the air scoops and the grills that a lot of the people do with the M5s, the RPI air scoops. Think about doing that. Well, I'm going to, and I'll bring y'all along for the installments if I can do them on step I'll try. And then further down the road, think about maybe doing something with the exhaust because the V8 in here is pretty quiet, and I don't know why it's so quiet, but I need a little respect out here. So think about doing something with that. I don't know yet what's the best way to go about that, but I'll think of something. And last but not least, a bigger project. So if any shop in the Charlotte surrounding areas want to sponsor me, that'd be great. So I was thinking about doing an engine swap, and the engine swap may be like a 2000, not the V10, not the 2006 through 10 model engine, but I would like to swap it out with like a 2013 M5 engine. I think that would be cool, and it'd be a real sleeper. So, also small things I gotta get done. I gotta get the tail replaced, and also down here, I gotta get these replaced because everybody with this Model 550 knows that these keep falling out, and this time I'm gonna install them myself and make sure they stay in. And also I want to get something in white, some kind of white words, white letters saying something I don't know, but that's my vision for